I'm going to show you how I make money doing no money down property deals. Let me tell you how I make money doing no money down deals and how you too can do the same. A few years ago, I came across some charming, old, dirty, rundown property. They were very rustic, surrounded by bushes, rubbish, but very rundown. I was told that the owner, a retired gentleman of about 68 years old, had told neighbors that he was really tired of fixing up that place and running after the tenant for rent. He complained about the fact that there was always something wrong with the property. I knew that on this particular property, the banks would not give a conventional loan of 80 to 90% because the property was properly damaged. But the property had charm. So I knew that I could fix it up and get good rental. So when I went to see the seller, we talked, and I did the most important thing that you as a buyer should always do. I quickly found out what the seller wanted. I simply asked, what are your plans if you sell this property? What do you want to do? Basically, he wanted to move to a retirement community and have a comfortable extra income in addition to his pension fund. That was his real need. By telling him about my career and engaging in friendly conversations during the course of a number of visits, I won his confidence. I let him know I was not a con artist and that I was a genuine regular guy in the real estate business with a purpose. That I had some other properties and was punctual in my mortgage payments. He soon realized that I was a dependable person. He felt that if we did negotiate a deal and he gave me a mortgage, he could rest assured that he could depend on me paying him every month. At first, he was worried about chasing me for late payments. I countered with, look, I'm prepared to get my employer to pay you directly from my salary for the next 10 years on this mortgage payment. And as you know, it will be a criminal offense for my employer to default on our agreement unless I leave my job or I get fired. So, I will give you whatever mortgage we agree upon in the form of stop orders. We'll give you 3-month mortgage payment in advance. That way, you will always be at least 3 months ahead. That offer seemed to turn him on. Then we had to negotiate price. We agreed on a purchase price of $450,000. We had established that the present rent from the property were about $4,000 a month. For the sake of this example, let's assume that this was net. So I said to him, look, would you like to get exactly what you are making now in the form of loan payment? I will give you that $4,000 a month without you having to do any repairs. No work, no vacancy problems, no chasing tenants for rent. In other words, you'll be getting exactly what you are getting now without any work for the rest of your life. That's my offer. We agreed on a rent amount of 4,000 rand with an annual 5% escalation and a balloon payment of 150,000 on the 7th year. My seller got exactly what he wanted. 4,000 trouble-free net cash every month. I became a proud owner of that property. Why was I willing to give him exactly what he was getting in rent with the property in such rough shape? Because I knew that if I improved the property just a little, I could raise the rent from $4,000 a month and almost from the beginning have a little profit each month for myself. And that's exactly what I did. The place is in much better shape now. 7 years later, I own the property free and clear. I am making a $16,000 a month net cash flow out of the property I bought for no money down. The seller is well pleased. We are good friends now and has in fact referred similar deals to me, of which he receives a referral fee. The banks recently valued it for $1.5 million. So if I sell the property for $1.5 million, I will have over $1,050,000 as my profit. Of course, I will never sell it. I will always trade it up to a bigger and better deal using my $1,050,000 equity as a down payment. If you like my work, if you enjoy my videos, you will love my masterclass.